Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is all about structure and writing style of conclusion. Number one is general rules. The function of paper's conclusion is to state the main arguments. It reminds the reader of the strength of your main arguments and reiterates the most important evidence supporting those arguments. In the general rules, it is by stating clearly the context background, necessity of pursuing the research problem you investigated,